3D formulas. The 3D formulas aren't functions, but they are shortcut to writing functions. Here, I have a separate sheet for each category with different amounts and product name. I want to get the total of these in the total sheet. The long way of writing this is to write a separate sum function and reference each of these sheets. The better way of writing this is to use the 3D formula. Just start off with equal sign, type in sum. In this case, I'm using sum because I want to add the values, but you can use other functions depending on your requirements. Now let's go to the first sheet and select the range that we want. Now, I gotta go all the way to row 13 because some of our sheets have more data. Now, here comes the part that is important. Hold on the Shift key and then go to the last tab you want to include. Take a look at the formula bar. It's going from the Essentials sheet to the Electronics sheet. Everything else in the middle will be included. Then, close bracket and press Enter. And we get the same result. The advantage of doing it this way is that it is dynamic. If I happen to have another sheet, I'm gonna drop this stationary sheet in the middle somewhere. It's automatically gonna be included in my total column. In the stationary, I have these values. This is the difference between my 3D formula version and the old version. See?